We sit together in a Kalika Institute.
Yes,
which
every
is
day.
located every day.
Yeah.
We sit together in this class.
Yeah.
And in Kalika Institute, it
Yeah.
is located in Rasra,
Mhm.
and it is very good. That's why it is famous in Chitani.
In our locality,
In
exactly. Yes.
locality,
Mhm.
and our Amar sir
Mhm.
making videos to progress for our progress of Kalika Institute.
Yes.
And he is working very hard
Mhm.
to for a student, for our staffs,
Yes.
and all the teachers.
Think and speak. Think and speak. Whatever is in your mind, just speak that. Because the matter is that you always speak. If you speak in English, then you will be able to understand what is the situation. Because if someone will come to you, he will not speak in a single.
I listen carefully
Mhm.
any words and any sentences that how to pronounce any words fluently and speak fluently any sentences.
All right. That's really awesome. The next person who is going to speak,
Sir.
2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10.
Sir, I'm not a gluten, sir.
All right.
Sir,
You're not a
only-
gluten person. Yeah. Think and speak. Just hear. You whatever is coming in your mind, just speak that. Whatever is in your mind, speak that in English. The matter is all about only in English. That is the matter. Yeah. Speak that.
We should serve our parents because they are all well wishers.
Yeah.
And they always promote and support in our bad situation and good situation.
Yeah.
And each and everything.
Yeah.
So
exactly.
we should always care about them.
Yeah, we should always serve them, we should always motivate them, we should always help them, and we should always support them, because
our
it is our
duty.
moral
It's
duty,
our-
you can
it's
say.
our
Yeah,
moral duty.
yeah. Next person who's going to speak. Next person. Yeah, Roshan is there, and Roshan, once again you have made the sentence. Speak that.
If I talk about your teaching,
Yeah.
so you teach in a different way, and all the students like the way you teach.
Okay, thank you for this compliment. The next, yeah, Ankit is there. Speak that.
This lab is very big and lab is very clean because a servant is mopping the floor.
Yeah, he always mops the floor. Exactly. The next, yeah, Anisha is there.
Sir, whenever you pronounce and speak any sentences and any words,
Yeah.
and I listen carefully because I like the way you are speaking English, and I listen carefully any words and any sentences that how to pronounce any words fluently and speak fluently any sentences.
All right. That's really awesome. The next person who is going to speak, she is making different sentences. And as you can see, guys, she is working hard these days. I hope so. And I wish you for the future time and for the present time, just work hard as much as you can. Next person who is going to speak.
I love to eat sweet things. I love to eat chocolates.
Yes.
And sweet.
Yes.
And lots of because I am sweet, so I love to eat sweet
Okay,
things.
you are sweet.
Yes.
Okay, that's I think that you always like to eat some sweet type of.
Yes.
Yeah. Next person who is going to speak. Roshan is there. Prince is there. Okay. Anisha is there. Ankit is there. Pinky is there. Rosni is there. Who is going to speak? The next think and speak. The matter is just think here and speak here. Yeah. Ayub is here to speak, and actually he's ready. And before Sunday, he was, he was behind the camera, and right now he is able to speak. Yeah.
Sir, I was creating a video.
Yeah.
At that time, I am thinking when will we go in Sharda Hall with friend. That's why I will enjoy with friend while eating risol.
Yeah, all right. The next person, you will enjoy eating rissoles. Exactly. I think how many rissoles do you eat in a single time?
Sir,
2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10.
Sir, I'm not a gluten. Sir,
All right. You're not a
only-
gluten person. Yeah.
Sir, I am only 2 risoles.
Yeah, you will take only 2 rissoles. Exactly. The next person who's going to speak that. Yeah, Rosni, once again you are going to speak.
So I want to say in my family,
Yeah.
my family is the best family in the world.
Yeah.
Because they are supporting me any situation.
Yeah.
And they are well wisher for me.
Yes, very good. And they always support you in
Yes,
any
sir.
condition. They always support us.
Yes,
They
sir.
always motivate us to do something new. And it is not the matter of family. They all are our well-wishers, and
Yes.
that's why they support. Next person who's going to speak. Ankit is there. Nazia, once again, Nazia, actually you are absolutely ready to speak that.
On Saturday, there's my friend Achal.
Yeah.
It's, on Saturday, his birthday is there,
Yeah.
and we did a party in a Pizza Paradise.
All right, that's very nice.
And it
Why did
was
why did you not call me on that time?
Because that's not my
Yeah,
birthday party.
okay.
My friend's birthday
Yeah,
party.
yeah.
So and we enjoy that party, and lots of friends of Achal came there, and I make new friends.
Yeah, you made new friends.
Two new friends.
Yeah, can you please tell their name?
Aman and Sandeep.
Yeah. Next person. Yeah, Ayub, you are ready. I know that. You know there are so many words in your heart exactly.
Sir, yesterday I went to Purani Masjid
Yeah.
for took tandoori
For taking tandoori.
for taking a tandoori roti.
Yeah.
Because guest came at my
Yeah.
home. This time my old teacher, her name is Sajida Parveen.
Yeah.
That time I said her. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. Then he replied.
She replied.
She replied me,
Huh.
and also he said that.
She said that.
She said she said that you did not tell me because
He's struggling. He is struggling a lot. He's trying to speak more and more words. He's trying to speak more and more sentence. Listen to me, Ayub. This is the process. If you work hard every day, you will be able to speak that. If you really want to improve your English, really want to enhance your English, you have to work upon that. You have to learn so many words. You have to speak so many sentences. You have to learn so mmany expressions. And this is the process. You have to speak like that. Okay, next person. Yeah, Nazia. Let's do that.
When I used to go to school,
Yeah.
my friends call me Chota Don
You all right?
because of my height,
Yeah.
and they all are tall,
Uh-huh.
and I am the cute person of my friend circle.
Okay.
And I'm
Self-praise, no recommendation.
and I'm talk time. I'm talkative.
Yeah.
So they call me Chota Don. I'm always speaking faltu cheezein.
Okay, all right.
Faltu
Some
bakas.
unconditional type of things you always used to speak. Next. Who's going to speak? I don't have any idea what will you speak, but the activity is think and speak. Think and speak. Whatever is in your mind, just speak that. Because the matter is that you always speak. If you speak in English, then you will be able to understand what is the situation. Because if someone will come to you, he will not speak in a single, like he will not use the present tense. He will not use the past tense. He will not use the future tense. He will speak whatever will be in his mind. So it is my request to all of you guys, just think and speak. Think and speak.
Sorry, if I will only wear cream color shirt, this time I will match with you.
Yeah.
Like my shoes match your shoes,
Yeah.
my pant
Matches,
match your
yeah.
shoes.
Yeah.
Only my shirt is not matching.
Matching with the mindset. Okay. But your face is not also matching. All right. Exactly.
But sir,
exactly.
look like a professional.
I know
only
that. I know you want to be professional. Exactly. The next person who's going to speak that. Yeah, Prince.
Suddenly I come in class.
Yeah.
Then I see
Mm.
poster.
Mhm.
You look like a Dr. Bhim Ambedkar.
All right. All right.
And you smile से अंग्रेजी बोलो समझना सीखे.
All right. Next. याद रखिए कि जो एक्टिविटी आप कर रहे हैं, एक्टिविटी मीन्स व्हाट. आपके दिमाग में जो कुछ भी आ रहा है, whatever is coming, just speak that. Because you always try to improve your English. You always try to learn different words. So with the help of this activity, you will be able to speak whatever is in your mind. You will speak at random. You will speak, in a different way. So let it come outside. Next, who's going to speak? Yeah, speak that.
Sir,
Don't make the long sentence. Make only two. Make a very short sentence.
Sir, at my home, his name is Aymanu Brothers. I said that Amar sir with go in a tandoori hotel.
Yes, and we will do.
for doing activity.
Yes.
Just time he said that.
Please call me.
Please call me, and you said that with Amar sir. He called me. I will go with Amar sir.
Yeah, you will go there and you will do some activity with me, right? And you want to go there. For a long time. Just don't worry. The dream will come true. Exactly. The next person who is going to speak, Anisha. Once again.
So whenever I am doing any activity, and
Yes.
first of all I feel fear, and after some time I feel.
I don't feel fear. You are absolutely comfortable right now, as I can see on your face. Yeah. Then
Sir, after some time I feel confident because you do motivated we all guys, and my inner power is strong.
all right, all right.
And I speak fluently.
Yeah, you speak English well. Yeah, she's doing great job, man. She's doing great job. Next person. Next. Prince is there, Ankit is there, Nazia is there, Nisha is there, Rosni is there, Pinky is there, Ayub is there, Roshan is there. Once again, Prince is here. All right, who is going to speak? Yeah.
Sir, I am thinking that all boys are and all girls are speaking English, but Pinky Didi is
Not speaking. So should I beat her?
No, sir.
Yeah. So should I scold her?
You are motivated.
No, I will not motivate. I have motivated her many times, and she will speak whatever. I mean, she wants to speak. So should I scold? Should I beat her?
Actually, I am make her understand.
You will make her understand exactly.
Yes.
All I don't have any idea what you all guys will speak, but I have one idea that you will speak in English. Next person. Yeah, I speak that.
Sir, you should this poster set at the intersection, because this poster look attractive.
Yeah, it looks attractive. Exactly. The next person. So in this way, you can just enhance your speaking skill. In this way, you can just enhance so many words. In this way, you can just enhance so many sentences. In this way, you can enhance your imagination exactly. So speaking is all about practicing again and again. If you practice again and again, you will be able to speak in front of any people, in front of audience, in front of public. So speak more and more. Speak again and again. Speak over and over. And then you will be able to face all the people whosoever will come in front of you. And this is the process. Exactly.